The vital role of Eggles in our environment, an in-depth exploration. The environment is a complex web of interactions, with each species playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Among these species, the Eggle might not be the most well-known, but its impact on the environment is profound. This video will dive into the life of the Eggle, exploring its significance, the ecological roles it fulfills, and why protecting it is essential for the health of our planet. Understanding the Eggle, a unique species. The Eggle is a small, often overlooked creature that thrives in various ecosystems. Despite its size, the Eggle plays a significant role in the environment. It is a keystone species, meaning its presence and activities significantly influence the structure and function of the ecosystem it inhabits. The Eggle's activities can affect the availability of resources for other species, making it a critical component of its habitat. The Eggle's ecological importance. One of the primary roles of the Eggle in the environment is its contribution to nutrient cycling. As it feeds on organic matter, it breaks down complex materials into simpler forms, making nutrients more accessible to plants and other organisms. This process is vital in maintaining soil fertility, which in turn supports plant growth and sustains the food chain. Without the Eggle, these ecosystems would struggle to maintain the balance needed for plant and animal life to thrive. The Eggle also plays a role in controlling pest populations. By feeding on smaller insects and larvae that might otherwise damage crops or spread diseases, Eggles help keep these populations in check. This natural form of pest control reduces the need for chemical pesticides, which can have harmful effects on the environment and human health. In this way, Eggles contribute to sustainable agriculture and healthy ecosystems. The Eggle's role in soil health. Soil health is a critical aspect of a thriving ecosystem, and the Eggle is a key player in maintaining it. Through its burrowing and feeding habits, the Eggle aerates the soil, improving its structure and allowing water and nutrients to penetrate more deeply. This process not only helps plants grow, but also reduces soil erosion, which can lead to the loss of valuable topsoil and the degradation of habitats. Furthermore, the Eggle's excretions enrich the soil with organic matter, enhancing its fertility. This added organic matter promotes the growth of beneficial microorganisms that further break down organic material, creating a rich, living soil that supports a diverse range of plant species. This diversity is crucial for the resilience of ecosystems, allowing them to withstand environmental changes and recover from disturbances. The Eggle in the food web. The Eggle is an important food source for many predators, including birds, reptiles, and small mammals. Its presence in the food web ensures that these predators have a reliable source of nutrition, which in turn supports the broader ecosystem. When Eggle populations decline, it can have a cascading effect on the food web, leading to declines in predator populations and disruptions in the balance of the ecosystem. Additionally, the Eggle helps control the populations of the species it preys upon. By keeping these populations in check, the Eggle prevents them from becoming too numerous and overexploiting their resources, which could lead to ecological imbalances. This predator-prey relationship is a fundamental aspect of healthy ecosystems, and the Eggle plays a vital role in maintaining it. Threats to the Eggle and their environmental implications. Despite its importance, the Eggle faces numerous threats that put its populations at risk. Habitat loss due to urbanization, agriculture, and deforestation is one of the most significant challenges Eggles face. As their habitats are destroyed or fragmented, Eggles struggle to find the resources they need to survive and reproduce. This loss of habitat not only threatens the Eggle, but also the many species that depend on it for food and the ecological functions it performs. Climate change is another major threat to the Eggle. As temperatures rise and weather patterns become more unpredictable, the habitats that Eggles rely on are changing. These changes can affect the availability of food, the suitability of breeding sites, and the timing of crucial life events such as reproduction. If Eggles are unable to adapt to these changes, their populations could decline, with serious consequences for the ecosystems they inhabit. Pollution is another factor that negatively impacts Eggles. Pesticides, heavy metals, and other contaminants can accumulate in the soil and water, poisoning Eggles and the organisms they feed on. This can lead to a decline in Eggle populations and disrupt the ecological balance. In areas where pollution is particularly severe, Eggles may disappear entirely, leading to the collapse of the local ecosystem. Conservation efforts and how you can help. Given the vital role that Eggles play in the environment, it is crucial to protect them and their habitats. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving natural habitats, reducing pollution, and mitigating climate change are essential for the survival of the eggle. Additionally, efforts to restore degraded habitats can help eggle populations recover and re-establish their ecological roles. You can also play a part in protecting eggles by supporting conservation organizations, reducing your carbon footprint, and advocating for environmentally friendly practices in your community. By making sustainable choices, you can help ensure that eggles and the ecosystems they support continue to thrive for generations to come. Conclusion: the eggle may be small, but its impact on the environment is immense. As a keystone species, it plays a critical role in nutrient cycling, soil health, and the food web. Protecting the eggle and its habitat is essential for maintaining the balance of ecosystems and ensuring the health of our planet. By understanding the importance of the eggle, we can take action to protect this remarkable species and the vital ecological functions it performs.